بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Does Allah have a greatest name? And the answer is yes. Is that confirmed by Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam? And the answer is yes. Does many or do many people know it? And the answer is no. But tonight we're going to change the last answer, inshallah ta'ala. In many ahadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam mentioned the name of Allah al-Azam. In some narrations it's authentic that it is Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. But the one we're going to learn tonight, inshallah ta'ala, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he did not only say that this is the greatest name of Allah, he swore by the one whom the soul of Muhammad in his hand. Let me ask you a question. Does Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam have to swear for us to believe him? So look at the depth of this dua, that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam walked into the masjid. He saw a man making dua. He said, Allahumma, inni as'aluka bi annaka antAllah, la ilaha illa ant, al-ahad, as-samad, Alladhi lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, by the one whom Muhammad's soul in his hand, he asked Allah by his greatest names. The name when he is asked by, he gives, and if he is called upon, he answers. Please, who's saying this? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the one who taught us everything about our deen. What is this dua? The man said, Allahumma inni as'aluka, we all know that, right? Allahumma inni as'aluka bi annaka antAllah, you are Allah. La ilaha illa ant, there's no one worthy of worship except you. Then the rest is what? Surah Al-Ikhlas. If you don't know Surah Al-Ikhlas, something's wrong. Every one of us knows Surah Al-Ikhlas. Bi annaka antAllah, al-ahad, the only one, as-samad. Then the rest literally Surah Al-Ikhlas. Lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And then ask Allah after that introduction whatever you want. Subhanallah. So ya akhwan, let's do it together as usual, okay? Allahumma inni as'aluka bi annaka antAllah, la ilaha illa ant, al-ahad, as-samad, alladhi lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. I don't want somebody to go, Sheikh, I made this dua for 3 days and I asked Allah for a good wife and I'm still single. It doesn't work like that. Alihu fi dua. Make dua constantly. Have certainty that Allah will answer when it's the best time for me. Can I say this in my sujood? Absolutely. Can I say this before I make taslim? Absolutely. Can I say it just any time? Absolutely. So please make this dua. Teach this dua to your spouses, to your children. May Allah accept all our dua.